Hello everyone, my name is Josh Putman and I am the Technical Marketing Manager for Corn Herbicides with BASF. Today we're at the Crop Protection R&D Biology Customer Innovation Center at our greenhouses here in Research Triangle Park, North Carolina. Today what I want to do is demonstrate the importance of mixing order when utilizing a product like Status herbicide. Step one is to fill your sprayer or your tank half full of water, as we see here. Step two is now to add in your dry products or your WDG products. That is where Status comes into play. Status herbicide is a WDG, so we're going to add that to our water. With that, agitation is very important for this product. We want to make sure that all of the little prills fully dissolve in water so that we get acceptable weed control, as you see here. But as you notice, as we start agitating the water, the prills start to dissolve and we get a more murky color to our water solution. Step three is we're going to add our dry ammonium sulfate. So ammonium sulfate being a dry product, we want that in the tank to stabilize the water so that products like glyphosate don't bind tightly to those hard water molecules. So we now have Status herbicide and dry ammonium sulfate in solution and are ready to add our next products. The next product is mesotrione, or in general, any SC formulation would be the next product to go in the tank. So I'm going to add mesotrione to the tank, and again, our machine is being agitated, and so we now have 3 products in solution and ready for the next. Our next product is glyphosate. So glyphosate will now be added to the tank with the tank being agitated. And as you can see, we've got great dispersion of those dry particles being in solution and now the glyphosate in there. The last step is we're going to add our adjuvant. In this case, we're going to use crop oil concentrate because that is a very common adjuvant used with Status herbicide here in the US. So we add our crop oil concentrate to the solution and thoroughly mix this solution and continue adding our water to have a complete, ready-to-go premix for controlling tough weeds like kochia and water hemp on your farm.